But now I want to see if that thrill translates to the circuit. This is a track day car after all. Welcome to the refurbished 2.7-mile Red Bull Ring, former home of the Austrian Grand Prix. Legends from Emerson Fittipaldi to Michael Schumacher have sprayed champagne here. Today, it's all ours. Now, this thing is all about being fast, exciting and racy. So I've lined up a fast, exciting race against that. The RC8R is KTM's fastest street-legal bike and a benchmark for how good the factory are at producing track day toys. Austrian Martin Bauer rode one to win the 2011 German Superbike Championship.
Oh, coming up the front wheel.
Me and the crossbow will take him on in a one-lap race. The bike weighs 184 kilograms. The car is more than 4 times heavier. But the car is twice as powerful and has at least twice the grip. This is going to be close.
Okay, we'll start. Well, the lights are going out.
With more traction off the line,
We've got him, we've got him, we've got him.
I gained the initial advantage. But the bike's superior power to weight ratio helps it get to 60 in a little over 2 seconds.
He's pulling wheelies. But he has
The crossbow's superb brakes let me reel him in at the first corner.
We're in the lead. We've got him now. The car really coming alive with that extra power.
But the bike's 1200cc engine has massive mid-range punch.